In this video, I will show you 5 different ways you can use Marquee tools in your designs. The fifth one will surprise you. Without much ado, let's jump right into it. This video is brought to you by Brand and Graphics channel, and my name is Vincent Annie. You want to replace the picture on this wall portrait. Grab the rectangular Marquee tool and make a selection. Bring in the new photo. This photo is larger than our selection, but that's not a problem. Come down here and click the layering mask. It's not well cropped. Adjusting this photo will have a problem because it's linked with the layering mask. Unlink them. Select the photo alone and then resize accordingly. I've added a link of the full video on every tool in Photoshop explained and demonstrated. Please check it out in the description. This time around, we will try to darken part of the shower screen. Without selection, the entire shower screen will be darkened. This is not our goal. Now let's make a selection. Make sure it's under New Selection. Having selected the middle column, let's adjust the curve again. See our selection in the mask. Only the selection is darkened. Now let's add to our selection. Ensure the Add to Selection button is selected. Adjust the curve and only the selected area will be affected. Here we are going to use the elliptical marquee tool to duplicate this circular road sign. Grab the elliptical marquee tool and make a selection. Hold Shift for a perfect circle. Hold the space bar each time you want to reposition the marquee selection. And then complete the selection. Now use Ctrl J to move the selection to a new layer. Turn off the background layer to view our selection. We can move it and place it anywhere. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and the YouTube algorithm will push this video to more people that need to see it. Here we are going to use the elliptical tool to darken the edges of this book cover. Let's make a selection. Let's add feathers to soften the edges. We don't want the edges to be sharp. We can add soft light from the blending mode. And finally, we can place a sun or moon in the sky by making a selection like this. From the adjustment layer, we add a solid color. Let's add some feathers. Then change the blending mode to overlay. But first, let's see other blending modes. At any point, we can reduce or increase the feather and even change the blending mode, and the adjustment will apply only to our selection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.